Here, listen. They went back up. Wait, hold on.
Run it north, please. Run it west, please.
Hold on. Wow, it's less than a quarter mile away. Looking right at the side of the funnel. Panning back down. It's almost too close. I can't zoom all out to get the whole thing in the shot. Panning up the funnel, looking almost right overhead. Right up the clear slot. Panning back down. This farm. There's some debris. Please miss the farm. Please miss the farm. Power flashes. Please let these people stay safe. Oh no, it's hitting the house. There goes the house. Oh, I hope they're okay. Here's some pictures with my camera. Debris. Another power flash. It's gonna hit town.
Please die before you hit town. Please die before you hit town. Please die before you hit town.
That motion. I don't know if it's still on the ground or not. I'm sure it is.
Back up. Back up. There's
power flashes.
Okay.
This is a house that just got hit. We saw debris fly from. Everyone is okay. Wow, that is a long rope. It goes way back. Yeah. Oh, it connects way up. Yeah, it's still from that same occlusion. This thing goes into the storm way up here. There's what goes in the storm. Rope goes all the way back to the west, segmented, and then on the ground.
But it's one entire thing and it goes all the way up and it curls back in. Beautiful rope.
Not even dirt. Well, right here's the dirt.
I trust dirt.
Do it then. You trust it, do it.
Watch it.
I know. It's just gonna block it. It's just block.
Get it.
No. Wait a minute. Oh, yep. Woo! Oh, let's come around. We need a bail. Oh my gosh. Can you believe that, Kevin?
3. Beautiful. Just be careful with it turning back this way.
Well, I don't think it will, but let's get closer, please. Please, oh, please. I'd love to get that with the models. It's like watching the one of the most